Hi guys, in this lecture I'm going to teach you the animation. So first of all, what is the animation? In the animation you can specify different styles, background colors, or all these things whatever you want to define. So then the animation allows to change these styles gradually, or in other words you can see the effect of changing the styles, the colors, or in other words you can apply the different colors on a div, and then one by one you can change these colors by using the animation. And here I have created this div, and here is its render form. So now here I'm gonna create the animation, and then I'm gonna specify the style in that animation, and then I will use that animation here in this div. First of all, we have to create the animation. First of all, write the keyframes. Here we have to write keyframes, and then we have to write the name of the animation. Here I'm going to write test. You can write any name, and then in these parentheses you have to write all the styles of the CSS that you want to include in that animation. Here first of all you have to specify the point from where you want to apply the style. When the animation is start, you are able to apply a different style, and when the animation is end, you are able to apply the different style. Or in other words, when the animation is at the 0 stage, so this style will be applied, and if the animation is at the final stage, so this animation is applied, and if the animation is 50%, so what style is applied. So now here first of all, this is the starting point. We have to write from. So from is the point where the animation is start, and here I'm going to write the background color. At the start the background color is changed to yellow, and then we have to write the final point. Here I'm going to write 2 is the final. Here I'm going to write background color. Here is the purple. So now when the animation is start, so it is start from this line from, so this background color is applied on that element, and then when the animation is end, so this background color will be applied. So now animation is ready, and now I'm gonna apply this animation here on the div. So first of all, how to apply that animation? It is just like a transition, and we have to specify the name of the animation, duration, and the delay. So now here I'm gonna specify animation name. Here is the animation name. Here I'm gonna write test is the animation name, and then here we have to define the animation duration. For what minutes or the seconds the animation is going to be run. So here we have to define animation duration. Here I'm going to write 2 seconds, and then we have to write the animation delay. Before the animation is start, we have to specify the minutes or the second to stop the animation before it's starting, or it is just like a delay, or wait before the running. And here I'm gonna specify delay. Here I'm gonna add the delay of 1 second, and now the animation is ready, and now let's check it out. And here I'm gonna reload it. So now it is the delay of the 1 second, and here you see that here I'm gonna reload it, delay 1 second, and yellow color is the starting point and the purple color is the final point, and then again the red color is applied. So now here I want to tell you something. We are able to apply only 2 styles here only. First is in the from and the second is in the to, so that's wrong. We are able to apply the different styles at the different point when the animation is on the 0%, and then the animation is on the 20%, 15%, 30%. So here I'm gonna specify when the animation is 0%, it is not started, so this style will be applied. When the animation is 25%, so this style, the color background color is this, And you can also apply any style, border, padding, width, height, position, all the CSS styles, and you can apply this animation on all the HTML elements. And here I'm gonna increase it, so when the animation is 50%, its color is become green. Here is, and when the animation is 75%, so its color is become blue. And here is the final color. I'm gonna apply parrot black. Here is 100%. When the animation is 100%, so this black color will be applied. And now let's render it. 1 second delay, and here you see that all the colors are applied. So this is the animation, and it is too fast. You can increase its duration, so it is now slowly execute. Here you see that. Another animation function. So here is animation play state. You can stop or play the animation. Here is play, and here we have to write state, and here is this. And if we apply paused, so now animation is stopped, it's not running. Here you see that it is still stop. 1 second delay is over. And if we apply running, so now it start to running. And the next function is the animation timing function. By applying the animation timing function, you can apply you can give the values linear, ease in, ease out, ease in, out. So these values are also present in the transition. And you have already know what's the function of the linear. It just run the animation smoothly. It have not any style. When we give the value ease in, so at the start the animation is slowly execute, and the rest of all the animation is fastly execute. And here we have to write timing, and here is the function. And first of all, here I'm gonna apply linear, and it is just a simple timing function. It is just linear, smoothly execute. Here I'm gonna reduce this 2 seconds. So now if we write ease in, so now at the start the animation is execute smoothly, slowly. Here it is. And if we write ease out, you can understand it. And here I'm gonna create some other styles in the animations. So here I'm gonna change the position. Here I'm gonna give it position relative to the div. So now let's change the color and the position of the div. And here I'm gonna give the left and the top position. Here at the start the left is 0 pixel, and here is the top is also 0 pixel. And now I'm gonna copy these things from here, and here it is. So now the left is 200 pixel, and here I'm gonna give top is also 200 pixel. Here is, and now here I'm gonna give the left is 0 pixel, and here is 200 pixel. And now here I'm gonna make it 0 pixel at the end. And now let's run it. Here it is. You can see that this animation is applied, and here you see that this is just a simple, but you can also change its direction by giving another function, that is animation direction. Here I'm gonna choose the animation direction, make it direction, and you can give the reverse here is the reverse, and you can also give the alternative. Here you can see that it is in the reverse direction, and if we give the alternative, and here is the alternative. Here why it is not applying, because here we have to give alternate, and let's check it. So here this is the alternate, and it's just like a reverse, but here is another value is alternate reverse. Here is the alternate reverse, and now here it is. This is the alternate reverse. So why it is not applying? Because we have to give the animation iteration count. We have to repeat the animation, so then this alternate reverse will be applied. Here we have to write animation iteration count. Here I'm gonna remove it and write animation iteration count. Here is the count, and here I'm going to write 3. So now it will be applied. So now animation is going to be repeat for the 3 times. Here you see that. This is the alternate reverse, and thank you for watching this video. If you have any problems, so kindly add the discussion in the course. I will help you as much as I can. See you in the next lecture.